In a world where data breaches and identity theft are common, the question arises, as we work so diligently in safeguarding our personal data like a superhero, why do we continue to place trust in third parties to do the same? Often that effort we invest, deemed useless, when those same entities fail us continuously with data leaks, breaches and hacks. Do scams, fraud and identity theft happening to your aging parent or minor child strike terror in your heart? It should. Trusted communications has been under siege by fraudsters and is getting worse. As threat vectors increase, so do the tools used by the nefarious. AI and deep fake use will go far beyond the novelties of today. Hackers continue to target centralized data warehouses, ironically attempting to protect our out-of-date personal data. As we further increase our dependency on internet-connected devices called IoT, the more of your personal information and habits is available to harvest. When armed with this myriad of sensitive personal information about you and your habits, the calculated social scams begin. Plagued by fake company web links called phishing attacks are inside of texts and emails. All threats increase exponentially as increased AI use dawns over the horizon. The trust between two parties in this now massive digital world only became more suspect when the telecom companies labelled all, even valid communications, as scam likely. Now, within this digital era, is there new tech may help save us? One that can provide us the tools to take back our identity and provide a path to trusted communications? TNID Trusted Number ID is poised to be a source of truth, pillar of security and rebuilder of communications, providing the technology to eradicate the ever-growing spam and robocalls of today, empowering the people with simple and relatable technology, always striving to provide robust security without compromising on user convenience. Imagine now using your telephone number as a passkey, where you're in control. You decide who you share your personal data with. Self-sovereign identity lets you control who can see your information and who can't. So verified identity attached to a telephone number is like a magical internet key that keeps your online stuff safe, allows sharing and signing up super easy, and puts you in charge of your privacy, security and data. Made possible thanks to the security and transparency provided by blockchain, a revolutionary new way to transact in a trusted environment. Your mobile number, now more than just a telephone number. It's become your unique instant identifier, a security device with SMS, basically. A digital passport that you use but have no real control over. Why do others ask you to block numbers you don't recognize? But ask yourself how often that gets hacked, if ever, when you control it. The only problem is you haven't had a way to claim it until now. Yes, you got it right. The essence of this approach lies in fusing a self-sovereign identity with a phone number, making it a globally distinctive identifier, managed by you, the user, and then forged with a verified identity that mints the number, making it the most unique identity on the planet. This groundbreaking approach enables self-managed security and privacy that's on a whole new level, introducing the first way to claim and validate your telephone number with your digital self. TNID Trusted Number Identity. But it doesn't stop there. This new world of identified users paves the way for a reputation-based providing trust. A community built on a stakeholder system which is used to create a verified credential and join with others to boost reputation value for each user. Every staked user then verifies relationship, records and self-manages consent with the business, and finally creates and shares with like-minded groups. This is not a solitary journey. It's a collective effort, leveraging the power of consensus amongst a community of users, which provides a trusted source of truth. Each user contributes to the overall security, making the system stronger and resilient than any other. This is a groundbreaking approach to safety and confidentiality, benefits the financial industry and beyond. Text Protect, a spam-killing solution, joins the strength of blockchain cryptography with the familiarity of telephone numbers, forging a distinctive yet self-governed identity solution. This provides users the tools to trust communications from verified connections, placing the ability to block or consent to calls, texts or emails based on personal preferences. The time for action is now. It's the ideal time for you, the protector of your family and your community. Stop complaining about the problem and start to solve it. Embrace this revolutionary technology for security, privacy, and protection. The time to take back your identity starts with a few simple steps. Creating your profile, validating your identity, and set your settings of what you want to consent to and from who. Our goal is to empower you. It's time to reward the trust placed in you by your family, ensuring you fulfill your promise of security, privacy, and protection. Because every message is a promise of trust. Secure that promise.